Welcome to the Galaxy Unpacked 2020. We are excited to introduce 5 devices to our Galaxy ecosystem. Let me start by introducing the all-new Galaxy Note 20.
The new Galaxy Note 20 comes in 2 versions, the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra. The Note 20 has a 6.7-inch screen, and the Note 20 Ultra has the largest smartphone display yet in our Note series at 6.9 inches. Once you experience the buttery smoothness of our 120 Hz display, it's really hard to go back. We're proud to bring that same experience to the Note 20 Ultra. We're happy to protect the new Note with the toughest glass ever on a smartphone. Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have the fastest processors in the Galaxy series. Advanced chipsets combined with our all-day intelligent battery give you the power to last. And if you're ever running low, you can get more than 50% charge in just 30 minutes. They come with 1 camera on the front and 3 in the back. It comes with an all-new laser autofocus sensor, and for Pro Video mode, we also built in extra controls to give you videos an extra kick. The zoom speed control is uber smooth. You can also make more precise adjustments on the microphone for great sound quality.
By the way, I noticed you use Samsung DeX. I love that it now connects wirelessly.
Yeah, and now I can use my phone while using my TV as a second screen with DeX. We're introducing 2 services to Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. We collaborated closely with Android as they developed Nearby Share. It automatically detects nearby users, making it simpler and quicker to share files across Android devices. The other is Samsung SmartThings Find. Like the name implies, this helps you locate Galaxy phones, watches, and even buds. The Note 20 Ultra is enabled with ultra-wideband technology, or UWB. It uses high bandwidth to measure range and direction with astonishing precision. By simply pointing your phone to other UWB-equipped Galaxy devices, Nearby Share will automatically list the people you're facing at the top of your sharing panel.
This is our all-new Galaxy Tab S7.
Tab S7 comes in 2 sizes, an 11-inch model and the larger 12.4-inch Tab S7 Plus. The Tab S7 Plus has the largest Super AMOLED on a tablet today. And remember that ultra-smooth 120 Hz display? We're bringing it to tablets for the first time. Despite the full metal design, it's very lightweight. The Tab S7 and S7 Plus come in 3 new color options. Now where's the S Pen? Here it is. Convenient, right? This feels like a real pen and writes like one too. Combining the new S Pen with the new 120 Hz display, we were able to significantly reduce latency. And now, we're letting you run up to 3 apps simultaneously. The book cover keyboard is the most versatile keyboard for both work and play. The touchpad is now larger and supports multi-finger gestures, so it's easier to control your screen. We also enhanced our Samsung Notes app.
It's incredibly convenient that the app works through the cloud, and you can open and edit all your notes on any Galaxy device, phone, tablet, or PC.
And this is not just for notes. You can sync your devices so you never miss a call or text, no matter what device you're using or how far away you are from your phone.
By syncing your Samsung Notes with your OneNote feed. Your hand-drawn sketch on your Galaxy Note 20 will be available in different PC experiences like Outlook on the web. Your reminders will show up on your PC in the To-Do app, Teams, and also here. And because it's synced, if you wanted to take it a step further and schedule it as a task, you can do so by dragging and dropping directly on your calendar. I'm excited to announce the new Apps feature, which gives you access to your Android apps on your Note 20 directly from your PC.
And now, we're expanding to gaming with Xbox.
We're entering a new era by bringing cloud gaming to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate on September 15th. You will be able to play over 100 games in the Game Pass membership from your phone. Together, we'll deliver Xbox Game Pass Ultimate to Samsung phones and tablets, including the Galaxy Note 20.
For those who pre-order and choose the gaming bundle, you'll get a Bluetooth controller and 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate free when it launches on September 15th.
The Galaxy Buds Live. The buds come in a choice of 3 colors, including the super chic Mystic Bronze, which I am personally loving. The Buds Live are also eco-friendly. Both the buds and the case are made of recycled materials. Ta-da! The result is the first open-type buds in the Galaxy series. The wingtips face up, just like this, and they fit perfectly in the curve of my ear. I get up to 6 hours of playtime, and the charging case provides up to 21 hours in total. And the controls are easy and even customizable. Best of all, Buds Live have incredible high sound quality with powerful bass boosts. You're going to love the active noise cancellation for OpenType. Buds Live provide the best call quality too, with 3 microphones and a voice pickup unit. If you're making videos with your Note 20, the microphones on your Buds Live can give you exceptional sound quality. Introducing the Galaxy Watch 3. And it comes with the precision rotating bezel and comes in 2 sizes and 3 colors. We even have a super premium titanium model, Mystic Black. The frame is smaller, slimmer, and lighter, while the display itself is bigger. In Korea, blood pressure is already available today, and ECG will be coming real soon for both the Watch 3 and Watch Active 2. The Galaxy Watch 3 will also let you check your blood oxygen level. The Watch 3 gives me real-time feedback, tracking my pace and form based on my run. You can also set goals for yourself and see how far you ran.
The all-new Z Fold 2.
The Z Fold 2 comes in 2 colors, Mystic Black and what I have here, Mystic Bronze. Overall, the body is thinner and we minimize the gap between the screens. The new Z Fold 2 sports a wider 6.2-inch full cover display. We've maximized the screen with our whole-in display technology, bringing our Infinity O display to the Z Fold 2 across a beautiful 7.6 inches. The Z Fold 2 embodies our 120 Hz refresh rate technology and additional upgrades. We optimize the display layers, reinforce the entire structure to make the phone tougher in real-world environments. The dual intelligent battery will last all day. We completely re-engineered the hinge of the Z Fold 2. We're going to share more details on September 1st. Pre-orders begin on that day too.
And there you have it. 5 new products designed to help you sail through everyday life. Galaxy Watch 3 and Buds Live will be available on August 6th. And Tab S7 and Tab S7 Plus will be released on August 21st. Finally, Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra will be available in 5G models, with LTE models available in selected countries. Pre-orders begins tomorrow. Going forward, 5G and foldable will be the major pillars of Samsung's future.